Hello. Today we're going to be doing a video on cost-benefit analysis. And we're going to make it into a nice, beautiful work of art on our digital software of choice. Alright, let's get started. So we got Clip Studio open right here. And we're just going to open a new document. Yada, yada. Here we go. Yeah, that seems good. 3000 by 3300 pixels. 300 dpi. Okay. And I already took a little screenshot of the cost-benefit analysis that I am using. I took this one from therapistaid.com. But there are plenty of others and others that might, in fact, be more useful for our purposes. So let's see, what do we got? First thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to rasterize. Where is the rasterize? Oh, I can't. It's already rasterized. Sweet. Okay. Convert brightness to opacity, and then what I'm going to do, just to see if it'll make my life easier, is I'm going to convert. Let's just see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, that's good. So I converted this to a vector layer, just so that I can play around with it a little bit more easily. So we got the importance right here. Oops. What I wanted to do is I wanted to break down some of these barriers. Oh no, why is that happening? Usually with the vector eraser. Okay. Oh, there we go. That side works. Alright, so we got the important pieces right here, which are the costs, benefits, and the importance of each. So those are the essential components. Now, what is the thought or behavior that you want to change? Let's do this on the layer on top. So what we want to do with this layer is we want to maybe lock it, and then we want to maybe save this as a template so that we can return to it and use it for other things. Or, yeah, so that we can return to it. So let's save it as cost-benefit analysis. Templates. Let's do psychology worksheets. Illustrated worksheets. Cost-benefit analysis. Template. Say template. Ah! Okay. Great. Okay, now another thing that we might want to do, just to make our lives a little bit less abrasive, is to put that in the background, lock that layer, and jump back. Okay, cool. Alright, now the fun stuff begins. Now let's find out my dirty secrets. What is the thought or behavior that I want to change? I might not want to necessarily change it at this point, but at least I want to clarify the terms that I'm dealing with. I want to gather some data on this particular issue. And that is my coffee habit. Now this is an inking pencil. Let's use a marker. Something I don't usually use. Whoa, why is it like that? I'll pass it. There we go. Alright. Coffee. Okay. You just work your way through. Now, I think it's good to quantify directly what the costs and the benefits are. and maybe once you've like organized it, you can make a little like graph or whatever, and say like this is the most important, these are like the least important issues, and then you can divide in whatever way you want. Or you could just do it with like the whole thing. That would be a better idea even. I'm just sort of taking you on this journey with me. We're gonna see what happens. Okay, so let's think. The most obvious reason why, because it prevents me from sleeping. So maybe on the top we'll do pictures, and the bottom we'll do words. Okay. This is me trying to fall asleep. Let's say sleep. Alright. And for the sake of just getting through this, whoops, we will speed things along. Okay, benefits. Wait. Benefits of drinking coffee is that just when I wake up in the morning, feels just right. No, that doesn't explain it. Let's do it better. Get some of my hair in there this time. Tiny little face. Get a mug. Little meditator. Whatever. Let's see. Taste and energy. Technically, I'm conflating the two, but you know, whatever. And then let's see what the last step is. After reviewing the costs and benefits of the current behavior, develop a more adaptive alternative. Let's see. Maybe I'll just make use of this. This will be 12 o'clock. So that's a nice clear plan. Let's say no coffee after 2. There are the reasons why. I can populate this as, you know, as long as I want, and with as many beautiful pictures as I want. Why does it look like he's giving me the finger? From the distance, it looks like he's giving me the finger. So yeah, this is a fun way to do a cost-benefit analysis. Just draw some pictures, and with the digital software, you can continue. One of the great things about this is that cost-benefit analysis can grow. It grows in a really beautiful way, and there's different steps that you can take along the journey of understanding whatever the behavior is that you're trying to change. And when you add the dimension of something that is aesthetically beautiful, then you sort of build this narrative. And there was times when I had my cost-benefit analysis, just the written version posted up, but it was sort of like too full of stuff, and it wasn't. It was sort of crammed with just words. Whereas I think it might have been important also to include some images to sort of give it some space, give it some clarity. And we forgot to, let's rate these. Taste and energy, I'd say that's about an 8. Sleep, that's super important, and it's definitely been messing with my sleep. So maybe tomorrow I'll actually give it a try, but maybe I'll just come back to this and continue to just weigh the pros and cons. This is definitely an effective exercise, and I hope that adding the dimension of the pictures will be beneficial. So thanks for watching.